In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, but this time to tap on Device Unlock. Now scroll down one last time to hit Screen Lock here and tap on one of those password types, Numeric, Alphanumeric or Pattern. Wait 5 seconds to choose Continue in Important Notice pop-up. And if you change your mind, don't go back, just click on Use a different password type and pick one of those. 4 digits, 6 digits, 4 to 16 digits, alphanumeric or pattern. Then create it. Repeat it to confirm it. And wait. When you see this button, click on it. And if you want to set up Fingerprint right away, hit Enable in this pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't, just hit Cancel. So now, when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!